Look, I'm still excited to have a Ryzen 5. Anyone in their computer building mind, just about, would like to have a Ryzen 5 3600X CPU. The problem is, it's all dressed up with nowhere to go. I shall explain right now. I am Yeager, here on YeagerShots YouTube channel. This is where I talk photo stuff, some lifestyle things related to photography and video, and part of that is a computer build. When trying to get a little bit more power than what you can get from a laptop, it's time for a desktop computer, hence talking about a PC. But there is a issue with the PC market right now due to a bunch of reasons. We've got a global pandemic, parts being made all over the world where shipping is an issue right now, and companies are starting to bring in new stock for things such as the switch over from 450 boards to 550 boards, which is happening right now while trying to build a PC. So the motherboard market is a little bit in flux. What do I mean? According to PC Part Picker, the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, not the X that I've got right here, is going for $166 right now. Great price. The B450 Tomahawk board, $114. Not the cheapest of boards, but it's good bang for the buck. Problem, totally sold out. Just sold out everywhere. There's no finding a lot of these parts. The memory that I kind of want a 3600. That right there is just, 3200 would get the job done, no question. Let's see, it's 3600. Currently unavailable. Okay, well, let's check for the NVMe 500 M.2. Luckily, managed to already get that part, so no biggie there, but no prices are available. That too is not available. Not sure where we're going with the graphics card, 2060 or 1060. Bit overpriced. A lot of the places that buy these things direct from the distributor have a aftermarket place such as Newegg and Amazon, and hence resellers have jacked prices up. And of course there's the case, which is showing no prices available because this particular case I cannot find either. Maybe back in stock in July, according to Amazon. So when I say my CPU is all dressed up with nowhere to go, that's pretty much what I mean by that. But that is a-okay, because this is the most first world of first world issues, postponing my first PC build. It's been 37 years. I've got time. And I also heard some really depressing stuff earlier on, so I wanted to do this video to talk about some fun, happy thoughts, which, piggybacking off of that, Lauren Ashcroft is going to be running for Congress in Astoria, Queens, the home of the Museum of the Moving Image, which is pretty much how I knew that city had me. So, if you are in Astoria, make sure you go vote for Lauren into the ballot box. They even use boxes anymore. I don't even know really how that works with boxes. It's all computerized, right? Apparently mail is a little bit out of the question. But my whole thing was I was gonna throw a PC together and talk to all of you about how that experience is for a first-time builder. And it looks like maybe Black Friday, this can all settle down, but that's not even a given with the way the world is. 2021, by the time the 3600X is 2 generations old and Zen 5's on the way. AMD people know what I'm talking about. Team Red. Right, I'm brand new to this, that is red. Yeah, that is red. Actually, the supply chain is so messed up right now, I can't even, this is my own shirt, photographer for photography. Amazon has decided not to even do the merch. That supply chain too is not a thing right now. Thanks for letting me know that, Amazon. But this is all the first world of first world problems. I actually have another site selling shirts. If you really want one, don't ever put all your business on one platform. Terrible idea. If you like this video and these life lessons, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.